Everyone on YouTube think they have the best collard green recipe, and I have the best collard green recipe. It's southern, and I add a little bit of Caribbean twist to it, so you know it is the best. Let me show you how I made this delicious collard greens. It is amazing, easy to make, and I think it's the best. Mine is the best. It is. Let's go ahead and get started. You know they say Southerners make the best collard green. I'm not from the South, and I'm not even American. I'm Haitian. I'm Caribbean, so I can make the best collard green using my Caribbean heritage. Let me show you what I did to it, how I did it. Oh, it was the best. These are the ingredients that I will be using. Feel free to adjust the spices and seasoning if you would like. It's really optional, some of the stuff that I used, but I'm telling you, it was amazing. It was truly amazing. Be sure to check my description box for the link to the recipe, which is on my website. If you'd like to support me there, go ahead. So before we even get started, be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and let's go ahead and get started with the greens. Here are my greens. To get started, I rinsed my collard greens. I rinsed them a few times, 3 to 4 times. Rinse them with vinegar and baking soda. Really clean them well, and then remove the stem. There's different ways you could do it. You could literally just do that, or you could use a knife and just get rid of the stems. But personally, I don't mind the stems. Like, I don't mind them. I like to leave them. I don't know, but feel free to remove them if you want. But it's just, I mean, it's not as tough because it cooks for a very long time, so it's not really that tough. But feel free to remove the stems if you don't like it, or if you do too, it's fine. It's your food, you can eat it, but there's different ways of removing them. So remove them, and after I remove all the stem, I stack them up all together, and then I'm going to fold it. Once I fold it, and I'm just gonna go ahead and chop it up. As you can see, once I have everything together, you're going to roll it like you're rolling a burrito. You see how I do it? Like rolling that burrito from that restaurant. I forgot what the restaurant's name. Chipotle. From Chipotle. And then go ahead and just chop it up real nicely. If you like it thick, make it thick. If you like it thin, do it a little bit thinner. You know, I'm a thick girl, so I leave mine thick. I'm so sorry. I just have to say something stupid. Alright, now let's move on to the fun stuff. So in your pot, add some olive oil. Use olive oil because I like to use olive oil, so that way I don't feel bad. Olive oil is the best oil, one of the best, so I prefer to use it so that way I don't feel too bad. I feel like, oh my gosh, I'm eating so much oil, you know. Once you add your oil, go ahead and add your épices. If you need an épice recipe, check right here. Here's the link. Click on it and go make the best épice recipe. And I'm telling you, I need you guys to try this. Try making collard green this way with épice in it. You'll see, it will change your life. It will change your life. Go ahead and I let the épice get a little toasty for about a minute or two, and then followed by the onion. I'm using a yellow onion. I diced really nicely. Add it to it and let it cook a little bit until it gets translucent, about a minute or so, not too long. And all this is happening on medium heat, not too high, also not too low, really nicely. So this is my onion after it's gotten its color, and now I went in and added my chicken broth, my scotch bonnet pepper. Instead of using red pepper flakes, I use scotch bonnet pepper because scotch bonnet pepper has this sweetness to it. You still get the little heat and you get the little sweet flavor to it. I love it. If you don't want to use your own store-bought chicken stock, you don't have to. I have a recipe on my YouTube channel. You can use that recipe to make your own homemade chicken stock, and I'm telling you, if you make your homemade chicken stock and you still follow these steps in this recipe, oh my gosh, you may have made the best collard greens, okay? Because the secret is really, one of the secrets is the stock, you know. So I went in and added my smoked turkey wings. I'm using a smoked turkey wing because I like the wings more fat. You could use different, you could have used neck. I wanted to use neck and wing, but then I was like, I'll just stick with the wing because I'm not making a lot. It's just me, you know, and a couple people. So for the seasoning, I added some black pepper and cloves. I grounded my cloves and my black pepper, that was peppercorn, ground them up together and added them into there, and add my Creole seasoning and some Cajun seasoning. A little bit of oregano, you know, you gotta add these things to it too, and a little bit of Nor chicken bouillon, just 1 teaspoon because you don't want to do too much, and your salt to taste because you need the salt, because you could be adding all these spices and then it's not gonna taste good because you missing the salt. That's something I had to learn cooking. You have to add salt, you know. I always add salt first, to be honest with you, and then go ahead and add spices, and afterwards you taste it and you're like, it could be missing something. So now if you don't add the salt, I'm telling you, that's something I had to learn. So don't forget to add your salt. So give it a stir, cover it, and let it boil for 1 hour until the meat is falling off the bone, until it's really nice and moist and like just falling off the bone. Cover it and cook it on medium heat. I did all of that on medium heat. So this is it. I had to shred it up a little bit after an hour. As you can see, the liquid has evaporated a little bit, and now we're going to add a little bit of lime juice. You could use apple cider vinegar, but I prefer to use the lime juice. I think it's better. From some recipes I've seen online, people use added brown sugar. I didn't think it was necessary because it wasn't that sour. Personally, I didn't think it was necessary, but I've seen some people add brown sugar when they add, especially if you add the apple cider vinegar. Maybe that will help balance it. And I went in and added the collard greens and the lemon juice. Once you do that, I added the remainder of the chicken broth. When I was cooking the turkey, I didn't add the 2 containers of chicken broth. I added half of it and then left a little bit, so when I put the greens I could add more, and I'm going to cover that and let it boil for another hour until it's very soft. I love collard greens actually. Added some butter and then cover it and let it boil for 1 hour. Cape Verdeans have a collard green recipe that I love. Oh my gosh, it's collard green with beans, fijon. I don't know what they call it. I think it's called pigeon, but it's so good. I love it. I love collard greens. Yeah, this is the recipe, you guys. This is it. After an hour it's boiled. It's like collard green is the same thing with like all these leafy greens. You have a lot, and once you put it in the pot, it's cooked. It's gone. It's like it's gone. Where did it go? What happened? It's like it evaporated, right? Yeah. But this is the recipe of my collard green. If you'd like to try it, please try it and leave me a comment, and leave me a comment. Let me know if you're gonna try it. If you've done it this way, you know, if you're Haitian, you've done it that way, let me know. I would love to know. And be sure to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel for more, and check out my website for the recipes. If you'd like to support me there, I would highly appreciate it. And thank you so much for being here. Let me tell you, this tasted amazing. I wasn't even gonna like show myself on camera, but I'm like, oh no, I have to. It was so good. I made some cornbread. Oh my gosh, the rest, I love corn. I love everything about corn, but I do have a cornbread recipe coming too. Stay tuned for that. Yeah, thank you so much, you guys, and again, like this video. If you have not, you made it this far and you have not liked it, I don't know, something is not clicking. Subscribe for more, and watch this video YouTube is suggesting. This will help the algorithm push me out to more people. This will help me grow. Thank you so much for your support, and see you in the next one.